Longest well-performing interval. We are given hours. It is an integer array, a list of the number of hours worked per day for a given employee. A day is considered to be a tiring day if and only if the number of hours worked is strictly greater than 8. If it is not greater than 8, we will not say it is a tiring day. Okay, a well-performing interval is the interval of days for which the number of tiring days is strictly larger than the number of non-tiring days. Return the length of the longest well-performing interval. Okay, when we look at this example, okay, 9. Okay, this one is a tiring day. How many days in this hour? Okay, we have the 7 day, right? So he is tired on Monday. For instance, if we start, this one is like a Monday. Okay, his Monday is tired. Okay, Tuesday is also tired. Wednesday is not tired. Thursday, right? Thursday is not tired. Friday is not also tired. Saturday no tired. Sunday is tired. So the longest well-performing interval is Monday to Wednesday, right? Because the number of tiring days is greater than non-tiring days, right? Numbers of tiring day is only Mondays and Tuesdays, and then Wednesday is non-tiring day, right? So we cannot say this interval because the numbers are the same, right? So numbers of tiring days must be greater than numbers of non-tiring day. That's why the longest well-performing intervals we got is 996. So what is length? 3. Okay, that is the one we want. Okay, here I have some example. Okay, for this case, when we want this result, I explain. Okay, we will not think about this one first. Okay, so we have this one input, right? Then this one is like an index 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so we will look at if it is tired or not one by one. Okay, if it is tired, okay, we will add 1. So I will have the sum. If it is a tired day, I will add 1 to my sum value. If it is not tired day, I will reduce -1. Now 9 is tired day, so I will add 1 to my sum. 9 is also tired. My existing sum is 1, so I will get to 6. No, it's not a tired day. I will -1 from my existing sum, 2, so I will get 1, so 0. Then 0 is just reducing -1 from my existing sum, 1. That's why. Okay, 6. Okay, it's still not tired day, -2. Okay, it's still not tired day, right? Then I will got 9. Okay, -1, right? Am I right? 1 2, then we will -1, 0, -1, -2, and then yes, 1. Okay, so when we reach the sum values greater than 0, we will increase our index value, and then we will think that one is our result. Now 9 is sum value is just, what is that, greater than 0, right? So I will increase its index. Index is 0, that's why I got 1. What about 99 at that time? Index is 1. I will plus 1 to my index, so I got 2. What about this one? I got 3. What about this one? No, we will not take that one, right? So whenever we reach greater than 1, we will increase our index, and then we will get the result. Okay, so let's forget about this one first, then we will check this small example. Okay, 999. Okay, now we reach the sum values greater than 0. I will increase my sum value. We will start sum 0, right? So I got 0, and then we will get sum is 1, right? So sum is 1, and the index is, what is that? Index is 0. Because sum is greater than 0, I will increase my index 0. Oh, frames 1,2. Okay, so okay, here is also a tiring day, so sum is greater than 0. That's why I will increase my index and then I will get the result. Okay, what about the next 9? I still got greater than 0 sum value, so I will increase my index plus 1, then we got 3 as a result. Okay, so let me create my result as a 0 and then sum as 0. I will create the 2 variables and then I will loop every values in that num arrays. Okay, nums dot length and then I plus plus, and then I will add to my sum value. If it is tire day, that means like if it is greater than 8, it is a tire day, I will add plus 1. If it is not, I will plus minus 1. Okay, then we will get the sum value, right? If the sum value is greater than 0, we will assign our result value by taking its index plus 1. Okay, so we will take that one, increase plus 1, increase 1 to its index, and then we will assign to our result. Okay, and then we will return that result values after that one is done. Okay, so for this case, okay, this one is not tire day, so sum is 0. We will start from 0, right? So sum start from 0 because it is not a tire day. We will reduce my 1, right? So minus 1. It is also not a tire. It is also non-tire day, so we will increase again, minus 2. Okay, this is a tire day, so we will increase our sum values. Minus 2 plus 1 is gonna be minus 1, but it's still not greater than 0, right? So okay, what about this one? Okay, this is a tire day. We will increase 1. Minus 1 plus 1 is gonna be 0. What about this one? 0 plus 1 is gonna be 1. So at the time, sum greater than 0, right? At the time, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Index is 4. 4 plus 1 is gonna be 5. Then we will return result our 5. Okay, so that is okay for these cases, right? For most of the case, we can solve the problem with this one, but we still have some special cases. For example, in this case, here we will start 1 because it is a tire day. Non-tire day, 0. We will minus 1, right, from our sum value. This is the sum. Okay, and then okay, minus 1 is not a tire day again. Minus 2, this is a tire day at the time. Minus 1, it is a tire day. We will increase again, but we still get 0. So according to the concept we did, we will get only result 1 because sum will be greater than 0 only at this index 0. At that time, we will have index 0 plus 1 is gonna be 1. Result is 1, so we will get 1. But actually, we want 3 because the longest well-performing interval is gonna be 0,9,9. So that length is gonna be 3, right? Instead of getting 1, we must get 3 for this case. So this approach is not enough to solve every test cases. Okay, so what we're gonna do, I will save. Okay, if it is greater than 0, I will just increase the index. I will plus 1 to my index, and then I will assign to my result, and then I will have the else case if it is not. Okay, and then I will add to my dictionary values to save the keys and value. Okay, let me create a new variable, dictionary variable. I mean integer comma integer. I'm gonna create the dictionary value CTR1 AR1 dictionary integer. In this dictionary, I will save keys and values, right? For example, So if it is not greater than 0, sum is less than or equal to 0, at that time I will check my dictionary value. Dictionary dot contain sum. Hey, is already included in our dictionary. No, it is not included. At that time I will add to my dictionary as a sum as a key values and the index as the values. Okay, then I will add again. Okay, now, okay, so we reach this one. Okay, this case, right? Okay, -1, -1, -2. Okay, so I will add 0. Dictionary 0 is gonna be 1. Okay, and then what about -1? -1 is at the index 2. I will save the same values and that is index. Okay, so -2 is gonna be 0, 1, 2, 3, right? So -2 same value is key and the index is 3. Okay, so when we reach, okay, now I will look at this one. 1. Okay, 1 is greater than 0, so we will increase our index and the result is gonna be 1, right? So result is 1. Then we will go to the next index. Okay, 0. Okay, if it is 0, we will add to our dictionary. This one. Okay, what about this one? We will add dictionary again. What about this one? We will add again. What about this one? Hey, we already exit, right? So at that case, we need to check map.contain key sum again. If it sum -1, okay? So now -1. We will check is if it is a -1, we will check its previous value. If it is -1, it's already exit in our values. Okay, now okay, so now we reach, oh, my heater is making noises. Okay, so we reach 0 and then -1. Okay, when it is -2, okay, we will edit that one. But -2, we already have -1 before, right? So at that case, we will think which one should I get. Okay, let me complete this one first. To my reset, and then I will take the max and then rest comma and then dictionary sum -1. Okay, okay, so that means, okay, now we got 0, -1 and then -2. So for this case we already have, okay, so -1. I think it can make us more complicated. Okay, I'm gonna give me a moment. Okay, so for this case I will get when 0 is not existing yet. Okay, I will add that one. So -1. If it is -1, we will do that, right? So -2. Okay, we will continue to add -1. We will add again, right? So at the time, we will check if -2 is already exit or not. At that case, okay, here, yeah, we already have that one. So we will compare our previous result value 1 and then new result is gonna be I minus, okay, so index is I minus dictionary, so I is gonna be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So it's gonna be 4 minus dictionary 2, that one is 3, so 4 minus 1 is gonna be 1, so 1 versus 1 the same, so we went keep going to the next index. Okay, so here we reach here. At that case, we will compare again. The existing result is 1, and then the new values we got is index. Index is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 5 versus dictionary minus 1 value is 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. That's why we got 3. So by doing this way, we can get the result we want instead of getting 1, right? So we will get 3 for that case. Okay, let me run this code. Oh, I'm sorry. Nums. Oh, it's not num. It is hours, right? Oh, I'm sorry. Map is not maps. I create a dictionary, right? I'm gonna submit to see what will happen. Okay, so cool. It's a little bit tricky to explain, so I hope this one can help this example. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.